SanHok Group is a professional manufacturer, which has over 110 processing and assembly employees with mature skill. Among them, some engineers are with 20 years related industry experience. SanHok branch is in Guangzhou and headquarter in Dongguan, which has high efficiency of processing and assembly. In the workshop, there are over 12,000 square meter area with processing machine like laser cutting machine, bending machine, punching machine, milling machine, lathe machine, CNC machine, hydraulic pressing machine, etc. SanHok products including conveyor, home appliances assembly line like TV assembly line, air conditioner assembly line, washing machine assembly line, mobile phone assembly line, LED lamp assembly line, etc. Accessories like lean pipe joint system, convey roller, roller rail, aluminum, working table. It is mainly used in household appliance industry, lithium battery industry, warehousing and logistics industry, electronic industry, LED lamp industry, logistics equipment industry. SanHok has established good cooperation relationship with Beko, TCL, Gree, Dollens, Walton, etc. SanHok products with good reputation selling to China and overseas including Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, Africa, North America and South America. For conveyor installation, SanHok itself owns a very professional and experienced team who have been to many countries like Indonesia, Jordan, Dubai, America, Brazil, etc. For after-sales service, SanHok offer detailed guiding installation and set out installation team based on customers' need. We sincerely hope that friends from all over the world will become our loyal partners and forge ahead.